My wife asked our children last week what a happy weekend means to them by creating a letter or a few sentences.
A happy weekend. A happy weekend is a time to unwind and recharge after a long week. It is a chance to spend quality time with loved ones, whether that is family, friends, or even pets. A happy weekend can be filled with relaxation, adventure, or a mix of both. Imagine going on an adventure, enjoying your meals, and trying new things and having fun. Out of all the times I enjoy, weekends are the best times to do it.
Thank you, ChatGPT, for the wonderful answer.
Oh, that's fine.
Hindi daw
My happy weekend consists of playing badminton and dining at restaurants with my family. It's also a time for me to detoxify my body by going to the gym, eating at a controlled pace, and getting more sleep than usual. Additionally, I use the weekend to catch up on pending projects or tasks, feeling accomplished and organized. This balance of relaxation and productivity helps me recharge and improve my overall well-being. Ultimately, my happy weekend is a way to refuel and prepare for the week ahead.
Yay! Sige 5 years from now, tignan natin kung ganyan pa yung happy weekend.
Nagulat ba kayo sa amin?
Hindi, sabi nila yan, ChatGPT daw. Sige na naman, yay! Ikaw naman nagsulat.
March 1, 2025. Next, higuba mo. March 1, 2025. For me, a happy weekend is quality time with devices. Nah, I'm just kidding. Hang out, having fun. Just a happy moment that the family can share. Is enough for me. Trying new things is also great. Honestly, my fam are great examples of people I wanna have fun with. With friends and family, you can say odd things, nice things, and many more things. You can't avoid of course, you can't avoid running into problems. Puking, fighting, losing stuff, and more.
Ano daw?
Puking.
Puking.
Kasama na yung suka talaga sa adventure niya.
Fighting, losing stuff, and more. I want to share more, but I can't because I am limited to this or these papers. But don't worry, I can add the paragraphs and stories to this one. I accidentally nabasa more open while making this up. I almost forgot even making this. Bye for now. Dylan Riley Emma
Oh, yay! Ano yung isa pa? Yung may special ka na sinulat eh.
alam ko.
Ay, ito. What's this?
Like going to malls, places, camping, and eating in restaurants, and many more. Lalagay dapat dito picture.
Yaman mo naman. Camping. Eating in the bread.
Of course, nililibre ako.
It's a talent star. Lahat sila. Submit lang yan. Lahat na lang nag-submit. Sa inyo tatlo, ikaw lang late nag-submit na. Kitang-kita.
Babasahin mo lang yan, Lai.
Basahin mo lang.
Wala kang gagawin iba, magbabasa ka lang.
Come on.
Binasa na nila yung kanila.
No, Billy. I know Billy.
Dali na.
Hindi na tayo mauulit dito.
Ay, ganyan na.
I'm happy tayo na diba?
Ay, ito na lang. Sige na, basahin mo lang. Ha?
Babasahin mo lang, dali.
Happy weekend.
Oh, what is a happy weekend for you? Number 1, when we
When we
go to malls.
To malls. Oh, ang dami ah.
When we play
When we play. Anong piniplay nyo?
badminton.
Badminton. Okay, and the number 3,
When walking outside.
pag pinapastol kayo. Yun yung happy weekend for you.
Tapos, tapos, nakikita ko mga aso na isa doon na nakita namin na aso, police dog.
Police dog?
Doberman.
Ala, buti na kayo na ako.
Yeah, ginantulong